There was warmth coming from the archway. Not heat, not fire, but warmth like a memory. A feeling of being welcomed, expected, understood. The fox sat in front of the archway, looking up at me with eyes full of something that felt both ancient and impossibly kind. And then, for the first time, it bowed its head. I knelt beside it, unsure what to do, until the fox gently touched its lantern to the base of the stone, and the archway opened. No doors swung wide, no magic burst forth. Instead, the space inside the archway filled with a soft, golden mist.